What is up, guys? I'm Jegster, and today we are back with the Canon SX740 Powershot camera. This thing is amazing. It gets great photos, gets great videos, has incredible zoom capability. Today I would like to show you some more zoom capabilities from this camera. Now, the downfall is I've been trying to get this kind of footage all week, but this has been the weather all week. It's been raining. But that's not going to stop me. I'm tired of waiting, so I got a few things I want to show you with this camera. Let's get right into it. This is the Canon SX740 Powershot camera with amazing zoom. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So one thing I really like to do with this camera is get nature and animal photography and zoom up on them and see what kind of shots I get. This is one of my most favorite places to come to. It's a lot of good shots here, a lot of good scenery. But I figured I'd come down here today. It's raining stopped a little bit. We're going to try to get some nature shots. Our first victims are these ducks. Let's see what we can see on them. Right now, we're at 20 times zoom. Like I said, this thing has capability of 40 times optical, which is where we're at right now. Then it has the option to go even farther, to 160 digital. Look at that. It's kind of shaky, I know. Look at them all. They loving it. They are loving it. That's so cool. See how far they are. Not that far, but still a great zoom, right? Alright, to the next. So here we have another great opportunity. We zoom in, see what we can see of this guy. Look at that dude. That's awesome. Look at him, he looks so majestic. Yeah, see how far he is? I love the zoom on this thing. Here we go, here's a good example. Now this might be a little shaky because I'm not using my tripod. Let's see what we can see on the clock tower. Now this is the Sevier County Courthouse Tower right here. Stand tallest in Sevier County. It's pretty cool. It's a clock tower. Let's see what we can see from it. Ooh, not too bad. And that is the accurate time right now too. Look at that. It's at 128 times zoom currently. Can still go up to 160. It's a little shaky. I'm sorry about that. But that is cool. See how far it is? And the McDonald's arch is right there. Not too bad. The rain's really making it hard. Ooh, look at that. He looks amazing. Tell me that's not awesome. That's awesome. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty crazy. Once again, I apologize for the shakiness. It's raining and I'm trying to keep my camera dry. Here's another good display of the zoom. Now I will say the rain and the fog is making it hard to get the clearness of it, but I just want to show you the capabilities again of how crazy this zoom is. The house way up here. See it? I feel like my lens is fogging up a little bit. We can see right on the porch and everything. See how far this is? See what I mean? It's ridiculous how crazy it can be, especially on a clear day when it's not foggy and rainy. Look at these though, guys. Casually taking a stroll in the rainy water, just enjoying life. Hey guys, where are you going? It's pretty crazy, isn't it? That's pretty awesome. Alright, while editing this video, I realized I forgot to make an outro. So here it is. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to see more or see me do different stuff with this camera, just let me know in the comments and I will be sure to get you some footage. I absolutely love this camera. Once again, that's the Canon SX740 Powershot camera. Amazing camera, especially with the zoom. Doesn't really have great night camera shots. It gets kind of fuzzy, but everything else is just amazing. And everything you were hearing me talk was from directly the mic from the camera. So I had no microphone or anything. So not too bad audio as well. The rain was kind of crappy, but just want to say thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you want to see more of with this camera in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. I love you all. Thank you so much for everything.